Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing the grade rate and grade rate mapping data template under the Employee Work Information section. We'll begin with the instruction sheet. Here first we have Tab section, which provides an overview of all the templates included in this section. Next, we have the Definitions tab, which explains each template in more detail to help you better understand the purpose and structure of the data. Following that, we cover the prerequisites. These outline the necessary requirements before entering data into the sheet. Then we move on to the template instructions. It's important that you read these carefully before you start filling out the data template. After that, please refer to the data entry instructions, which provide step-by-step guidance for accurately completing the template. Next, we have the trigger section, which comes into play after filling out the worksheet. This section is used to validate the entries by highlighting any missing data or incorrectly formatted information. For a more detailed explanation, please refer to the Data Template Overview video. Now let's move on to the Grade Rate Master Template sheet and see how to add grade rate related data in each column. Organization. In this column, enter the name of the organization for which the grade rates are being added. If you are working with multiple organizations and the grade rate master data is maintained separately for each, then provide the data organization-wise. Grade rate code. Enter a unique code for each grade rate. This helps in uniquely identifying a grade rate within the system. This field is optional. If left blank, the system will auto-generate code during data import. Grade rate name. We have provided a default list of grade rates under the default master data worksheet. You can refer to this list for grade rate names. If a required grade rate name is not available, then add the grade rate name manually in this sheet. Grade rate is required to define the pay scale level of employees on different grade. Start date. Enter the effective date when the grade rate becomes valid or active in the organization. Format as per system requirement. If the exact start date is unavailable, use a default start date. Next is grade rate mapping template. This template is used to link specific grades to salary ranges, or grade rates, including defining the minimum and maximum pay within each grade. Grade rate name. Select or enter the grade rate name that was defined in the grade rate template. Grade name. Specify the grade, for example, entry level, senior, executive, that you want to associate with this salary range. Start date. Enter the effective start date of the mapping between the grade and the grade rate. End date, that is optional. If applicable, provide an end date for the validity of the mapping. Leave this blank if the mapping is currently active or ongoing indefinitely. Minimum value. Enter the minimum salary or compensation amount for this grade. Maximum value. Enter the maximum salary or compensation amount for this grade. Currency. Specify the currency used for the salary range. For example, USD, INR, EUR. Use standard currency codes as accepted by your HR payroll system. This is how you can add the data in the Grade Rate Master Data template. That concludes today's session. Thank you for attending.